In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a fully set up PayPal profile that you can use to send and receive money online. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Make sure you're on the genuine PayPal site and not a lookalike, so check the web address carefully and look for the secure connection icon in your browser. On the PayPal homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This is going to start the account creation process. Next, PayPal will ask you what kind of account you want to create. You'll typically see two main options: personal or business. A personal account is best if you're mainly shopping online, sending money to friends and family, or receiving occasional payments. A business account is designed for people or companies that regularly sell products or services and need features like business invoicing and reporting. Choose the option that best fits what you want to do with PayPal, and then click Get Started. Now you'll be asked for the email address you want to use with your PayPal account. Type in an email you have access to and check regularly, because PayPal will use it for important notifications and verification. This email will also become your PayPal login, so make sure it's secure and something you'll remember. Once you've entered your email, click Next. On the next screen, PayPal will ask for your mobile phone number. Select your country code if it's not already correct, then type in your phone number. This is used for security, password recovery, and verification codes, so it's important that the number is valid and you have your phone close by. When you're done, click Next again. PayPal will now send a verification code by text message to the phone number you entered. Check your messages, find the code, and then enter it into the box on the PayPal page. This confirms that the number really belongs to you and helps keep your account safe. Once your code is accepted, you'll be taken into PayPal to complete the rest of your account setup. From here, you'll add personal details like your name and address, and you can later link a bank card or bank account so you can start using PayPal to pay and get paid